In this section, we are going to talk about variables and how to assign a variable. So let me just dive in with the samples, and by the time we will discuss and talk about that one. So for example, if I say a is equal to 5, so you see the number 5 was assigned to the a, and later on if I want to print the a, it is going to print 5 for me because the 5 was assigned to the a. Let's talk about what kind of different variables we can use and what is not advised to use. So for instance, I'm using the lowercase a, or if you want you can use ABC, like in the combination of the different letters, or I can say the ABC and underscore C, AB underscore C, which is absolutely fine, and that is going to work. But from the best practices that the people are using the Python, or if you go to the Google and try to find if you look in different codes, mostly the people they are not using the capitalized. So for example, if you say ABC and assign it, which is absolutely fine, it is going to be work, but usually people they use the lowercase. So if I say I want to print let me just go ahead. If I want to ABC and close it, if I print it, it still is going to print a 5 for me, nothing wrong. But usually people they use it lowercase. What else we cannot use? I cannot use the variable with the different symbols. So for example, I cannot say that symbol is equal to 55. It's not going to be work, but you can use these kind of symbols right in the between two words. So for example, I cannot say my score is equal to 100. You see, I have two different words. We cannot use them, so I want to make all of them as a one variable, as a one word. You can use different combinations. You can just combine like that, but from the best practices, what usually people do, so they are just doing the my underscore and score is equal to 100. But later on, if I call it, let me just go here. If I call it, and it is going to print 100 for me. And also, let me just give another sample. The a is equal to 5. If I say the later on a plus a, which is absolutely fine, it is going to print a 10 for me because 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. But what if I will reassign it? So right now, in this line, we assigned 5 to the a. If I print the a right now, it is 5. What if I want to reassign it? If I say a is equal to 10 right now, so if I print a, you see the a is not 5 anymore because it used to be 5. I did my operations, and after that I reassigned my a to the different number. So right now, as a last position, the a is equal to 10. If I say the a plus a, it is going to print 20 for me. What if I want to assign this like a plus a, and also I will assign to the a as well? Right now it looks like a little confusing because we already have the variable a, which is assigned to the 5, and right now we will add 5 plus 5, and we will add this, take this addition and reassign the a one more time. So right now nothing printed because I didn't ask the Python to print something for me. But if I ask, hey, can you print a, the a is 20. Because it was 10, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. What if I will run it one more time? You see? So right now, my last situation, the a is equal to 20. If I run this one more time, so my a was changed, my a was reassigned. Right now, it's 20 plus 20, which is equal to 40. If I run it one more time, it is giving to me 40. Let me run one more time. It is 40 plus 40, and right now, as you see, the a is equal to 80. Because during your codes, guys, you can always reassign your variables. Another example, and I will say my income is equal to 100, and the tax rate is equal to 0.2. So right now I need to calculate how much tax I need to pay. So I will say I can say pay is equal to my income multiplied by tax rate. You see, so right now I have two different variables, which is my income and my tax rate. So right now I'm multiplying all of them. I'm assigning to another variable, which is pay. So as of now I have three different variables. It's my income, it's a tax rate, and it's a pay. So if I say, hey, can you print the pay for me, it is going to print the result of these two. So my income times tax rate.